Welcome back everybody to the Low Tad Lounge. Today we got something pretty exciting. Well, I'm excited for it. Hopefully you all are too. I've mentioned countless times on this channel that I really enjoy the Astral Radiance set because it brought in Pokemon from Legends Arceus. And I love Legends Arceus, so therefore I love Astral Radiance. So today we have an ETB for Astral Radiance. I've opened up an Astral Radiance ETB off camera before, but it was only one. So hopefully we get something really good in here on camera. There's one thing I would love to pull from this ETB today. That would be the alt art for Hisuian Lilligant. It's so pretty and I'd love to get it from a pack. Can we get it today? Well, let's find out. Or maybe we'll get lucky and get something really expensive from the set. Which, if memory serves, the most expensive thing in the set is the alt art Machamp. If I'm not mistaken. Booklet, we don't need that. This goes up on the wall later. I'm done with you. I need to put you away. Alright. That wasn't a clean fall at all. So as per usual, for an ETB, we got our dividers, we got an energy, we got a code card, and we got sleeves. Really nice sleeves, if I might add. Then we have our game tokens that we really don't need. And then we got our dice. There we go. Trying to get the symbol to show up. It's a little bit dark. And most importantly, we have the packs. The packs that might hold good stuff. Let's get to cracking and find out if we get that good stuff. You know, if the plastic would like to cooperate. Oops, I didn't see it. Try to hide the code card border. That way you can't see it. And that I can't see it. That way we're both surprised if we get good stuff. No, nothing in that pack. We did get a Hisuian Avalugg though, which is really cool. Well, that's one way to open it. Realized I didn't hide that code card from y'all, but oh well, that's fine. Oh! Second pack in, we got something.
Ooh la la.
Okay. You know, I'll take that. Dude, I didn't expect that. Okay, that's a good start. That's a pretty good start. Come on. There we go. It must be kept secret. What do we got? Ooh, we got a Radiant Heatran. That's a hit. That is a hit. We'll take it. Hopefully that's not where it stops. But if it did, I can't be too upset because I got that Palkia, Origin Form Palkia alt art. That's not how I expected to start this opening. Well, we got a Hisuian Lilligant, but not the one I want. And we don't count hollows anymore. So. trash can's overfilled again. So none of these packs are going into none of these wrappings are going into the trash. But that's okay.
Ooh la la.
Okay, I'll take a Trainer Gallery Mariana. I will take that all day. Get in there. We got 3 packs left. And still no Alt Art Lilligan. That's okay. Maybe one day. If I can get this open. There we go. Just throw it in the floor. It's not gonna stay in the trash anyway. What does this one got? Anything good? Yes, it does. Yes, it does have something good. I will take a full art Silene and the standard Eileen as well. Whew. Okay, thought I might have messed it up for a hot second there. That would have made me a little bit sad. Last 2 packs. Can we pull anything else? Well, we saw that one. Doesn't mean it's a complete dud yet, though. There could be something hiding in here. There's not. But there could have been. Let's crack it open. The last pack. Let's hope it's got that magic. It actually opened up for me. Alright. Let's do it. As we do. Heracross. Teddy Ursa. Mantine. Hisuian Voltorb. Hisuian Basculin. Datrix. I think that's how you say his name. Now, is this electric type or is this gold? Nope, it's numbered. It's just electric, I think. It is the Luxray V. Regular. And yep, that's it. What do we have? 8 packs, I think? Something like that. And we got 5 hits out of it. That ain't too bad at all. Especially considering that we got the Origin Form Palkia V Alt Art. So, and Full Art Silene. But yeah, that's definitely something to take. Well, that was fun, and I got some good stuff for Astral Radiance to put in the binder. Thank you guys for tuning in today, and we'll see you next week on the Lotad Lounge, as per usual. Take care.